Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So you want me to get in? You want to give me a rundown of what all's in here, man?
It's a 4 Brutal Sounds Megabrute 15s, and right now it's on a single 5K, a half ohm, clamping 3K.
Okay.
I am going to put 2 Banda 8Ks in here by probably Samfest.
Wow. You did this?
Yeah. It's not, yeah, I did everything. It's not dummy, and the kid that was just standing here did everything.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
I like it, man.
I gotta finish sealing it. We're going to put another sheet across this and connect it.
Okay, it looks good.
Thanks,
what is it tuned to?
28.
28. How much, have you metered it yet?
Yeah. Before the trim panels, it was doing a 55. Now it's like a 54.
So you lost a little?
Yeah.
Still, though, that's a pretty good number.
Yeah, after I seal all the way off, I should get that.
Yes, sir. What's your electrical like?
I have 3 AGMs in here and one 370 Jonathan Patrick.
What AGM?
1 XP3K and 2 D3400s under the head.
All right. Bass 5K, Brutal Sounds. What are these subs rated at?
4K RMS.
Really? Oh, so underpowering them.
I'm way underpowered.
Okay.
Show, blow the rest, 30 minutes.
Even being underpowered, incomplete build, that's still solid numbers, solid demo video, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. All right. I like it, man. Woo. Really beefy subs.
They're 125 pounds a piece.
Really?
Loading them was a very rough.
125 pounds? Wow.
Yeah, that was a pretty terrible.
What's your ultimate goal with it?
60.
It's possible. Probably 4 of these.
2 Banda 8Ks.
Oh, those, yeah.
We'll see what he does.
get some outside flex. Yeah, man. I didn't even get to look at the detail of your doors. They sound good.
Only 3 speakers work in these doors.
Say what?
Only 3 speakers actually work.
Really? It still sounds good. I mean, but it looks good too. Thanks, man. Can I see your alternator? Truck, dude. That's tires. I don't know anything about tires. What are they?
14 wide, 22 by 14.
14 by 22?
22 by 14.
22 by 14. Okay.
It's dirty right now.
It's alright, man. It still looks good. It's alright. Thank you for the demo.
What's going on, everybody? Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.